How are you? How are you doing? Today we will try to draw with the graph of quadratic equation. Okay? So, you already know that a quadratic equation can be written in the form of y equal of y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, here this is our quadratic equation where a and b and c are real numbers. Okay, the question is draw the graph of the equation y equal x squared negative 4x plus 3. First of all, my kids, before starting drawing the graph of this equation, you should first find the axis of symmetry and the turning point. Okay? So, the axis of symmetry in general, the axis of symmetry of any quadratic equation is what, my son? Yes? Is x equal negative b divided by 2 times n. Okay, in this quadratic equation, you can see that y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. If you would like to equate the coefficient of x squared for this quadratic equation and the coefficient of x squared of the first degree quadratic equation, you will notice that x, this is 1 is written, 1 multiplied by x squared is x squared, but it's not written. So a equal what? A equal 1. Then b equal negative 4. And the constant c equal 3. Okay, now we were equating these two quadratic equations to find a, b, and c. But look here, this is the axis of symmetry. I will just substitute b with negative 4 and a with 1. So the axis of symmetry is negative. What is b? Is negative 4 all divided by 2 times 1. Negative multiplied by negative always give us positive. Look, negative multiplied by negative is positive, and negative multiplied by positive also is negative, and positive multiplied by negative is negative. Okay? So, here we have negative multiplied by negative is positive. I will just write 4, the value of the numerator, and 2 multiplied by 1 is, yes, good boy, yes, 2, very good. Then, 4 divided by 2, my kids, is, here, how many 2's in 2's? Only one single 2's. Then, how many 2's in 4? 2. So, 2 divided by 1 gives us 2. This is the axis of symmetry, okay? While drawing the graph of this quadratic equation, we should know that we should first draw the axis of symmetry, because the question is that why we need to this axis of symmetry, because you know that this axis of symmetry of any quadratic equation cuts the parabola into 2 equal parts. Okay? So then this is the first point. Then my kids, how can you find the turning point? We know that any quadratic equation has an axis of symmetry and a turning point. Okay? So the turning point I will label as turning point is what, first of all? Is at which the graph changes direction. Very good. Is at which the graph changes what? Changes direction. Okay. Changes direction. Okay. So now my kids, the first I will label point as B. This is x. X is the axis of symmetry. I will just write 2. Then how can you find the y? Just substitute this in this quadratic equation. You will find the y coordinates of the vertex. Let's see. When x equal to, what is my equation? Yes, Mohammed? Very good, yes. So y equal x squared. X now is 2 squared, minus 4 multiplied by x. X now is 2 multiplied by 2, plus 3. Okay, 2 squared is what? Yes? Very good. 2 squared is 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, is 2 multiplied by 2. Then, negative 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, plus 3. So, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, minus 8, plus 3 gives what? 4 minus 8 gives negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 gives negative 1. So, just like here, negative 4 plus 3 gives negative 1. So, now I can write the coordinate of the vertex. I will write this negative 1, okay, here. Okay, so just make a negative 1, okay? So, this is the vertex of the where the graph changes direction, okay? I will need it when I'm starting drawing the graph of this quadratic equation. Okay, now my kids, after knowing or searching out the axis of symmetry of this quadratic equation and the turning point, now I will construct my table of values, okay? Now I will do what? Yes? I want to hear your voices. Very good, yes. I will try to construct a table of values for this quadratic equation, okay? I will just write here, construct a table of what? Of values, very good. Of values for each quadratic equation for this one, okay? For y equal the square of x minus 4x plus 3, okay? For also x, this is x, is smaller or equal and greater or equal than negative 3 and here 2, 3, okay? Or we can make also, we can extend and we make negative 4 and 4. So I will now construct this table of values. I will construct a table. This is x and this is y equal or y equal x squared negative 4x plus 3. Then I will take here x lies between negative 4 and 4. I cannot make here x equal negative 5. Why? Because the question told that x should be at least greater or equal to negative 4 and smaller or equal than 4. Okay, so this is negative 4, this is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0, okay? And here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Just I will make some columns like that. Then, okay. Look, now when x equal negative 4, when x equal negative 4, y equal what? I will use my quadratic equation, y equal, the x is negative 4. It will be negative 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by negative 4, okay, plus 3. So, negative 4 squared, negative 4 by negative 4. Yes, 16. Very good. Good boy. 16. Then, negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 also is 16. And negative multiplied by negative is positive 16. Then, plus 3, it will be equal 16 plus 16. Yes, 32 plus 2, 35. Okay, this is 35. Then, when now x equal what? X equal negative 4. Now x equal negative 3. So, what is the value of y? Y equal negative 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by negative 3 plus 3. Negative 3 by negative 3 is 9. I will just write it here 9. Then, negative 4 multiplied by negative 3 is 12. Negative multiplied by negative. Positive 4 by 3. 12 plus 12. Then plus 3. So it will be equal 9 plus 12. Yes, it will be 21 plus 3, 24. I will just write here 24. Then, when x equal negative 2, I will try to find the value of y. So, y equal negative 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by negative 2 plus 3. So, negative 2 squared is 4. Why? Because negative multiplied by negative. What is 2 by 2 is 4. Negative multiplied by negative. What is 4 by 2 is 8 plus 8 plus 3. Give us 4 plus 8, 12 plus 3 is, yes? 12 plus 3 is 15. I will just write here 15. Okay. Then, when x equal negative 1, x equal negative 1. So, I will write the value of y equal negative 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 squared is 1. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3 gives 8. I will just write here 8. Then, when x equals 0, x equals 0, will y equal 0 squared minus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 3. So it will be equal to 3. Means that the curve, in this point, the curve cuts the y-axis in or at the point 0, 3. At the point of coordinates 0, 3. Okay, I will just write here what my kids. I will write 3. Then when x now equal 1, okay, when x equal 1, y equal 1 minus 4 is negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay? I will write here 0. Then, when x equal 2, y equal 2 squared. I will just write here, okay, 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. 2 squared is 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 8 is minus 1. I will write here minus 1. Then, when x equal 3, you will find 0. 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3. 3 squared 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Then 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Means that 3 is the root of my quadratic equation. So, I will just rewrite what? 0. And for when x equal now plus 1, when x equal 4, when x equal 4, y equal 4 squared negative 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 give us 4 by 4 16 and 4 squared is 16 plus 3 gives us 3. 60 minus 60 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay? Now my kids, I will try to draw these points. Okay? This is the graph. This is the x-axis, that is the horizontal axis, and should be perpendicular to the y-axis, which is vertical axis. This is the y. I will label this line as y-axis, and this one as x-axis. So then let's first move to the vertex. The coordinates of the vertex is what? When x equal to, y equal -1. Okay. X equal to and y equal -1. This is my case. Is x equal to and -1. This is the vertex or the turning point. Turning point. Okay? This is the turning point or vertex, means the graph will change direction. Okay? When the graph comes or going downwards at this point, immediately the graph will go up or going up. Okay? So this is the first point. Okay? 2, -1. I draw this one. Okay? 2, -1. I plot this point. Okay? Means the vertex. Then the next one. When x equals 0, we told here that the curve cuts the y-axis. At this point of coordinates 0, 3. Right there. What is 0, 3? This one. Okay? Means this is called the y-intercept. This one. The point of coordinates 0, 3 is when the curve cuts the y-axis. Okay? It's called when the curve cuts the y-axis. Okay? Entre parentheses, it's called what? The y-intercept. Entre parentheses, it's called y-intercept. Means that your graph should cut the y-axis on this point. Okay? Then we draw this one, isn't it? We plot this one. Okay, move to the next point. Okay, 0 we told 3, then 1 and 0. Where is x equal 1? This is a root, the first root. Okay? This is the first root of my quadratic equation. First root. Okay? Then x equal 3 also is the second root. What is this one also? This one, x is equal to 3 is the second root of my quadratic equation. Okay? The second root. Okay. Then, when x equal 4, y equal 3. X equal 4, y equal 3. Okay. This is 4, 3. I will just 4, 3. Okay. Now, my kids, after plotting at least 4 points, and you already know about the axis of symmetry, I will use my set square to draw the axis of symmetry. Okay? This is the axis of symmetry. When x equal 2, this is the axis of symmetry. Okay? So I will just use my ruler. This is x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2. I will use this one, my kids. Okay, I will start from that. Okay, then, sorry, it's not clear for the green color, isn't it? I will try another time. Okay, the green one is called what? Is called the axis of symmetry, and I will label it as x equal 2. Okay, it's called axis of symmetry. Okay? Of symmetry. Okay, then, now I will try to join this point to draw the graph of this parabola. Okay, I will use red one. Okay? So, we thought this is the vertex. Okay, and this is my parabola. Okay? This is the parabola. You see that the axis of symmetry, this one, the green one, already cuts the parabola into 2 equal parts. Okay? this one half part, and this one half part, and this is the axis of symmetry. Okay? Thank you for listening. Okay? I will give a homework exercise 1, course book page 417. Okay? 417. Okay? Did you finish? Okay. As we finish now, how can we draw the quadratic equation? Okay. Now we'll try to draw cubic equation. 10 minutes, then we start. Okay.